Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can create a password protected zip file. So for example, here I have three logos I want to make a zip to but I want to protect it with a password, right? So I'm just going to highlight all three of them. I'm going to right click. I'm going to do WinRAR. I'm going to click on add to archive. On WinRAR here, you can see right now it says it's RAR, right? So we need to change it to zip by pressing this button here. And then after that, you can also do some archiving options here if you'd like. But the thing we want to do is set password here. Click on set password, and then you'll see it'll bring up a window like here. So click in, enter password. So for example, I want the password to be 123. Re-enter the password for verification. So 123. Let's check if it's put right. There you go, 123. You can also do zip legacy for encryption if you'd like, but I'm just gonna leave that off. I'm gonna click on OK, and then the password has been set. Click on OK. Now it has been zipped like this, right? Now once it's zipped like this, let's try extracting it. So let's right click, go to WinRAR. Let's click on extract files. Let's click on OK. And on OK, before extracting, you'll see that we need to enter in a password first. 123. Let's try entering a wrong one first actually. I'm going to do 1234. Let's click on OK. Incorrect password. Now let's do a real one. 123. Click on OK. And then there you go. Now we can actually extract it. And as you can see, it's our actual file that we zipped up earlier, but now password protected. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.